Success is the good fortune that comes from aspiration, desperation, perspiration, and inspiration. And our inspiration for Montage 2011 is a living legend and an epitome of the fact that honesty, transparency, and moral integrity are not at variance with business acumen. Padma Vibhushan Shri N.R. Narayan Murthy, pioneer of India's software industry and Infosys founder. He is a self-proclaimed common man who created uncommon wealth for shareholders, employees, and our motherland. Nagawar Ramarao Narayan Murthy was born in an educated family in Mysore on 20th August 1946. His parents were high school teachers in the Gul town of Kolar. His father was an avid reader of English literature. His father inculcated in him the sense of honesty and punctuality. His mother taught him the importance of sacrifice and public welfare. Mr. Murthy graduated from National Institute of Engineering, University of Mysore, and then pursued master's degree from IIT Kanpur. Mr. Murthy stepped the first staircase of his career at IIM Ahmedabad as Chief Systems Programmer. Then he joined Patni Computer Systems, Pune. While in Patni Computers, he dreamed of becoming an entrepreneur and a capitalist and shared his dream with his wife and close buddies. But they all were worried as none of them had a business background. But seeing his determination, they all joined hands to make his vision a reality. From the secret savings of Mrs. Sudha Murthy, rupees 10,000, the journey to accomplish a dream began. It was a rented house of Mr. Murthy, which became the first office of Infosys. Krish Gopal Krishnan, Nandan Nilkani, S.D. Shivulal, Ashok Arora, N.S. Raghavan, and K. Dinesh all had a very similar value system. It was like a big joint family. In the year 1981, Infosys got its first client, Data Basics Corporation of United States. In 1987, Infosys achieved a milestone by opening its first international office at Boston, USA. Thereafter, Murthy and team kept embracing new horizons of success. He established lavish offices in various cities across the globe: Sydney, Australia, New York, USA, London, UK, and Dubai. In India also, Infosys has its campuses in various cities. A few of them are Jaipur, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Mysore. With his restless efforts, the venture, which started with a capital of rupees 10,000, became a $50 billion giant by 2011, and the journey of success is still continuing. Mr. Murthy believes that the real power of money is in giving it away, and he exercised this power quite well for upliftment of masses. Infosys Foundation came into being with the objective of supporting the underprivileged in our society. Infosys Foundation hospitals, literacy programs, donation to orphanage are a few ways in which he works for the society. Recently, Mr. Murthy sold his 20 lakh shares for funding of Catamaran venture to aid in public health, education and technology. Also, he has been elected as the chairman of Public Health Foundation of India. Success comes with excellence, and when you are owner of superlative talent, you will be awarded too. So is he. He has been bestowed upon by numerous national and international awards and achievements. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan in 2008, Padma Shri in 2000, Entrepreneur of the Year 2011, Ernst & Young World's Business Award, Max Schmidtny Liberty Award, National Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance. He has also been awarded the Honorary Doctorate of Lancaster University Management School and Doctor of Science at Concordia University. And the list goes endless. There is some emotional support behind every success journey. Murthy's family supported him in his ups and downs throughout his life. Mr. Murthy plays all the roles in his life quite well. He gives all the credit of his success to his wife, Mrs. Sudha Murthy. At the time when Infosys was at its beginning, in spite of having a relevant experience and technical knowledge, Mrs. Murthy opted to handle the household so that Mr. Murthy can give his 100% to fulfill his dream. She is a religious lady who is inclined towards social welfare, a winner of prestigious Padma Shri Award, educationist and a renowned author. Mrs. Sudha Murthy works for the welfare of underprivileged. Mr. Murthy's daughter, Akshata, is a former associate of Siderian Ventures and owns a stake worth rupees 1600 crore in Infosys. His son, Rohan Murthy, is pursuing PhD in computer science from Harvard University and has recently been married to Lakshmi Venu Srinivasan, daughter of Venu Srinivasan of the TVS Group. Mr. Narayan Murthy is a person who keeps himself busy in various works. But when he gets time from his hard schedule, he spends the quality time in his hobbies. He is fond of Western classical music and enhances his knowledge in free time by reading technology books. In keeping with his passion for Bach and Mozart, his office is fitted with speakers. Murthy, like any other Indian, is a passionate cricket fan. In his book, A Better India, A Better World, he advises young graduates. Progress is based on dreams and requires change. Change requires learning, and education is about learning to learn. In the words of Narayan Murthy, wake up India. It's time not to go to work. It's time to get people to work for you. Don't be an engineer just because you have a degree in engineering. Do what you think you are good at, and you will be good at what you think. Start something that's your own, where you can't be sacked, and you certainly can't quit. Start something for as little as 10,000. You don't need much more than that. You don't need references, politicians, or the police. All you need is you. Start. And 10,000 can become 30 billion. It's true, you can do it. You, who's reading this, you simple, regular guy. Like it happened once to a simple, regular guy. Wake up India and start dreaming.